A mother goat's love is a beautiful and instinctive bond, built on care and protection. From the moment her kids are born, she showers them with affection, nuzzling and cleaning them to ensure they feel safe and loved. She stays close to them, guiding them with gentle nudges and keeping a watchful eye, ready to defend them against any threat. Her nurturing instincts provide warmth and reassurance, creating a foundation of trust as her kids grow strong and independent. This unconditional love is a testament to nature's incredible capacity for compassion and connection.